Okay, so looking at the SEO add-on developed by Forsprung, it's quite in-depth and it gives you a lot of detail. And one of the first things you'll see is that you have this section here which sits on the left-hand side of the page, and it's not the Bible, but it gives you a good idea as a guide as to what you can do to improve your SEO score. So it will detect H1 and H2 tags, whether they have the keyword in or not, give you other tips to do with word count, links and things like that. So let me just take you through everything. So we obviously have a product here, 100 gram pants, so we want our keyword usually to be 100 gram pants. Let's make it match up nicely. Okay, so if we save this now, we'll see that the SEO scores will change. Okay, so now H1 tag. Now the product name is always taken as a H1 tag, so it just looks whether there's a keyword in that H1 tag, which there is. It's missing a H3 tag, so we're going to add that in. Keyword density is too high, 24.8%. That's because I've just got lots of test text in here just to make sure everything's going as it should be. So I suppose then we go down to the more in-depth options. So we have a few things here which are a little bit different again. So the snippet preview, this is a preview of basically what it looks like in Google or whatever other search engine you're likely to use. So it gives you a good idea what customers that are searching for specific keywords will see. So you can tailor that a little bit more, and you do that by entering in data further down. We also have another summary here to do with the metadata. Okay, so the SEO URL name. This is just in case you want the URL name to be different from the product title for whatever reason. And if we have here 100 gram dash pants, and if we preview this in the front end, we'll see the corresponding URL. Okay, so what else do we have? The search engine snippet SEO title. So this title is the title here. Meta keywords, obviously enter whichever keywords you want. The meta description. This is the one that appears here as well in the search engine. And then there's some more detailed information about meta robots, advanced options, sitemap options, things like that. And these are explained a little bit more detail in the instructions if you don't have any idea about what you're doing. But most of the default settings are pretty much what you go about using anyway.